Today we are going to learn SST's second number lesson, our natural and cultural heritage. In that lesson we are going to learn the thing which was coming from long time and that is with us. So let us know about it. Warm up activities there. Let us go through first. Interview 3 classmates belonging to the 3 different part of country. 3 classmates are there and those are from different states of our country. Using the question given below. So downside some questions are given and we want to use that question to write that answers. Note their response in the space provided. Means in that space we want to write its information about that questions. Then first one, there are 3 different students are there. Interview first, second, third. Those are 3 students or classmates and those are from different states and we want to write themselves language, in that state's famous monument, traditional dance, traditional music and famous festivals of themselves states. So let us start. I have given 2 students solution already. You want to write, select any states that student it is and you have to write its information in this blank space. So let us know first language spoken. So it is of Marathi. I wrote that student is from Maharashtra, so he is speaking Marathi language. So Marathi I wrote. Then second student is telling his spoken language is Punjabi, so he is from Punjab. Okay, then second number, famous monument in Maharashtra there is a Gateway of India. It is of olden building, just like that in Punjab also Golden Temple, it is also olden building. Then next one, traditional dance. Traditional dance of Maharashtra is of Lavani and in Punjab traditional dance is of Bhangra and Gidda. Bhangra dance is done by men's and Gidda is done by women. So those are dance forms of Maharashtra and Punjab. Next point is of traditional music of Maharashtra. It is of bhajan and then traditional music of Punjab, it is of Hindustani. The next one, last point is of 5th number, famous festivals. So famous festival of Maharashtra is Ganeshotsav and Punjabi festival is of Baisakhi. So those are language, monument, dance, music and festival of these 2 students we looks. You should write like that type of information of other states. Any student you have to choose and write its information like this. Okay, then next go through the lesson. Look ahead. So from this lesson we are going to learn natural heritage and cultural heritage. First one we are going to learn natural heritage and then we are going to learn cultural heritage means what. So first our heritage we have to know first. What is meant by heritage? In Marathi we are saying for that Varsa. It means which things have come from our grandfather, then themselves grandfather, great grandfather, from long time. It was coming, these things, and it is still now with us. It is called heritage. So let us know about heritage. India is a land of rich culture and heritages. So India is a land of culture. In our India, all the people are behave like cultural activities. All people in India, those are following different type of culture of different states also, and heritage. So they have different type of cultural activities, language, dress form. It is called culture. So heritage includes culture, tradition, historical building, languages, dance and musics. We Indian showing our activities with a heritage like culture, traditions, heritage building, language, dance and music. Those things are with us from long time till now. That is of heritage, we can say. Then art forms like pottery, coins. So from long ago there was all the mud pots were there. Now we are using steels, aluminium pots, but long ago there were earthen pots were used, and it was different type of shapes and size. There are coins also. Before there was different type of coins were there. On that different type of pictures were there. Those are showing our heritages. So etc. that have been passed down from our earlier generation, and those things which was olden buildings, language, culture, tradition, music, dance, those are passed from those people to us. That is called heritage. Then these people live long before us, means people those are before thousands of years. When they live here are commonly referred to as our ancestors, and those people are called our ancestors. In Marathi, for ancestors we are saying Purvaj. So that is of our heritage we have learned from this point. So next video we are going to learn next point. Thank you. Have a nice day.